The modal magic of must, should, can, and might. The third grade classroom buzzed like a hive of busy bees. The annual school fair was next week, and there was so much to do. Mrs. Sabrina smiled. Today, class, we are going to learn 4 magic words that help us prepare. They are called modal verbs: must, should, can, and might. Let's start with must. If you must do something, it means it is necessary, a rule, or an obligation, Mrs. Sabrina explained. Max, you are in charge of safety. You must check that all the power cords are covered. Max nodded seriously. The first step must be setting up the sturdy tables. Reader question. If your class is selling cookies, what is something they must do before the fair starts? Hint, think about rules. We use must when we know it is required. Next, Mrs. Sabrina introduced should. Should is used for giving advice or recommendations. It's what is smart to do, but maybe not a strict rule, she said. Piper, the decorations look great, but we should use tape instead of tacks, so we don't damage the walls. We should also practice being loud when we call out our prize winners so everyone can hear, Piper suggested. Reader question. If your friend is nervous about the fair, what is one thing they should do to feel better? Hint, think about good advice. We use should to recommend actions. Then came can. Can means you have the ability or the possibility to do something, Mrs. Sabrina beamed. Max, you can carry those heavy boxes because you are very strong. Piper can draw the funny signs because she is so artistic. I can climb the ladder to hang the banner, Max declared. I can speak French so I can help any international visitors, Piper added. Reader question. What is one thing you can do very well that would help at a school fair? Hint, what are your talents? We use can to describe our skills. Finally, they discussed might. Might means something is possible, but not certain. It's a guess about the future, Mrs. Sabrina whispered. It might rain on Saturday, so we might need to move the games inside. Piper guessed, if we sell all the cookies, we might raise enough money for a new reading corner. Or, if the bouncy castle is too popular, it might get too crowded. Reader question. What is one thing that might happen at the fair that you haven't planned for? Hint, think about possibilities. We use might for things we aren't sure about. Mrs. Sabrina smiled at the organized, modal-ready class. You have learned the modal magic. Use must for rules, should for advice, can for ability, and might for possibilities. Now go make that fair amazing.